Here we will discuss about how can able to do the Odisha JEE web-based counseling. Okay, so for that web-based counseling, how can do the process? So all these things that we'll discuss it here. What we'll do, we will write here ojee.nic.in. Okay, so here you can see, we can see that ojee.nic.in. Here there is a option called register for choice filling, that is BTech, BArch and integrated MCA. So here we will do the registration. Okay, so click on here. You get the link. So here it will show that is already registered candidate. They can sign in. But if you are coming for the first time, what you can do? You just click on the new candidate registration. And from the second time onwards, you can directly sign in. Okay, so we are doing for the first time, so we will click on the new candidate registration. So you can read the different information that is related, so you can read one by one, then you can click on I agree. So here it will ask for the JEE main application number. So application number you can collect it from either JEE main admit card or JEE main rank card, so you can write here. So here I am writing the application number. Then after it will ask for the candidate name. So you can write the candidate name as it is in the JMN rank card. So check, verify the name, that is exactly the spelling is correct or not. So you can verify like that. Okay. So then after what we can do, we can ask for the date of birth. So to ask for the date of birth, you can give the date of birth, whatever your date of birth, you can put here the year. So then it will ask for the gender, you can write. Then the security pin, you can give this security pin. Then after you can click on submit. So before click on submit, once again make sure that your name spelling that is exactly correct. Okay, so we will go into that, submit. So now here it will ask for the mobile number, so you can give the mobile number. Similarly, you can also give your own email ID. Okay, so then you can choose a password. The password must be 8 to 13 character. It must contain at least one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and any one of these characters. So then you can give the security pin. Here it is showing in the right hand side. So you can give it. Okay. So you can submit. The last, do you want to submit? Yes. So now you can see the first registration form completed. The rest of the applications are not completed. So we'll complete one by one. Okay, so you've successfully registered. Kindly fill the details of the application form to complete the registration process. Okay, so here you will fill like that. So you can fill the application form here. So for the application form, it will ask your state, category. If it is ex-serviceman, you can put yes. Okay, so any of this is available, you can put yes here. So if you require for the tuition fee waiver scheme, you can just put here yes here if it is required. Then what? Are you a permanent residents of Odisha? If it is yes, you can put yes. Okay. So have you passed the qualifying exam from Odisha? Yes. Present working in Odisha? Yes. So according to your category, you can fill this. Then the save and exit. Do you want to save it? Yes. So you can save here. Then after it will ask for the qualifying details, that is the qualification detail. So if you are 12, you will click on here. If you are diploma, you can click on the below. So here it is 12. Okay. So it will ask for the passing status. That will ask for the passing status, that is the pass status. Here it is passed. Year of passing, that is 2020. You can give here passing board. Okay. Then it will ask for the roll number. You can check your mark sheet and you can write the roll number. Then it will ask for the institute name. You can give the institute name if you want. You can write. So whatever it is written in your mark sheet, you can write it. Then it will ask for the result mode. Okay. So result mode, there is only one option. So maximum mark, that means what is the mark we have obtained. That is, suppose the 6 subject, so total 600 mark. Here the obtained mark, it is 395. Let us ask for the division. You can write it more than 60, that is 65. So you can write here first division. Then after you can write the physics. What is the past? What is maximum mark? 100. What is the mark you obtained? That is including both theory and practical. So in the physics, it is 58. Similarly in the mathematics, so here it is, maximum mark is 100, obtained mark 45. Then it is, you can choose any of these subject. So it is suppose computer science, passed, maximum mark 100, obtained mark suppose 75. Okay, so you can write like this way. So here the diploma part, no need to fill. If you are, it is 12, so you can fill like this way. So this is done. Next, what we will do, the save and next. Do you want to save? Check it and save it. So here only character, that means this part should not be there. Delete. Okay, the number is not allowing, so you can remove. Save. Yes. Then it will ask for the contact detail. Contact detail. Okay, so you can fill the contact detail according to your address. You can this address. Okay, so here you can write like this, then save and next. Do you wish? Yes. So here you can verify all these detail, your application number, your name, father's name, mother name, date of birth, gender, category, all these. Okay, so all India rank, so you can write so like this. So all the qualification mark, so roll number, here what is the mark you obtained, what is the mark you obtained in this. So that is the physics, math and computer science. You can verify once again. If it is any wrong, you can check it. You can check your mobile number, pin code, that is the corresponding address. Okay. So similarly, you can check for the permanent address, that is exactly same as you've written. So here you can click on this and then you can click on the final submit. You can click on the final submit. After final submit, it will ask for the pay registration fee. You can pay for it. After filling all the details, so it will ask for the registration fee payment. So here you can fee. So the total registration fee, that is 450. So it will ask for the payment. We can choose the mode, that is online mode. So you can click on the pay fee. Okay. So it will show your name, registration number, date of birth. So you can confirm it. So here you can choose the different option, payment provider. Suppose I'll choose the HDFC. You can also choose the first one, no problem. So here I will choose. It will open. It can show you the payment. You can see that pay with HDFC credit card, debit card, any other credit card or debit card you can pay. So if I'm choosing the credit card, it may be. So here I can choose the debit card. But remember, if I'm choosing the net banking, suppose any net banking, if I'll choose SBI, so you can see the amount will be increased to 470. There are some convenience fee and GST. So better you can choose for the debit card. Okay. So there will be no extra fee. So you can write the card number here. So you can write the card number. So here it will ask to make the OTP. So OTP you can enter. So you can see your transaction has been completed successfully. Okay. So you can go back. So you can see that now it will show you the available choices. So choice locking status unlocked. So this is the available status. Here you can see what are the available choices, and according to that you can see here this is all the list of the colleges with its respective branches. Okay, we can fill accordingly. So this is, it will only to see all the detail. Then what I want to fill the choice, so you can click on the choice filling. Okay, so here you can just write down your desired college name. So you can write National Institute of Science. So first, suppose I want to give the National Institute of Science Technology. First I want to give computer science engineering TFW. So I will add. So this is the choice one. You can see the number. Okay. Then I want to give, that is computer science engineering TFW first. Then I will give computer science engineering second substitute. This is also same as the computer science. There is no difference. So you can fill here. That is the second choice. Then I can fill here you can fill the EC, or here you can give suppose ITTFW. I want to give the IT. Okay. Then what? I can give the next branch option. I can give here, that is computer science engineering. After that, suppose I want to fill CAC. After computer science, I can fill the IT. After IT, suppose I want to fill electronic communication. I can fill here. Suppose I want to move any up and down, so I can also do like this. Suppose off. That means electronic communication comes before the IT. That is the electronic communication is choice number 5, and this is IT is the choice number 6. You can fill all this. You can up and down. You can remove. So you can do like this way. Okay. Then you can save and continue. So it will ask, do you want to save? Okay. So here it will save. Okay, so save and go to home. So you can save in between. So here I have choose the, so till now I have not logged. So here you can also see your payment detail, where you have made the payment. Then the seat allotment result, now it will not be available. When it will be available, you can check it. Okay, so now just we have filled all the choices. It will show like this. Okay? So this is all about the choice filling we can do in this way.